It's quite often we shoot video with only a portion of the sensor on mirrorless cameras. Not a lot of cameras let you capture video using the entire area of the sensor, though many of Fujifilm's X-series cameras do have an OpenGate option, which will let you do exactly that. The technical term OpenGate simply means shooting video with not just the full width, but the full height of the sensor as well. For the most part, this is going to be more image than we could actually use. But there are 3 use cases when OpenGate comes at a huge advantage. The most common one being how much easier it is to crop your footage into a vertical aspect ratio in post. There is now a higher than ever demand for getting both a horizontal and vertical composition out of a single frame, and shooting OpenGate helps with that by offering a larger, more flexible frame. There won't be any difference in the horizontal framing, but when it comes to cropping out a vertical 9:16 video, you'll notice that when compared to cropping from conventional 16:9, you get about a 40% increase in image area if you crop from an OpenGate 3:2 frame. That gives you a less drastic difference in field of view between your horizontal and vertical compositions. The next use case is simply having that extra resolution so you can digitally zoom and reframe in post without any loss of detail. Within a 6.2K frame, this is how far you can crop while still maintaining full UHD 4K resolution. And if you're curious, here's what 1080p looks like. On models like the XH2S, which feature a stacked sensor, you'll realize even when cropping low-light images in, the high ISO performance holds up incredibly well, and this is even when compared against some full-frame sensors. But perhaps the most coveted use case for OpenGate is pairing it with anamorphic lenses. De-squeezing footage shot with anamorphic lenses means widening your aspect ratio. Having more vertical frame to begin with means you can use lenses with a stronger squeeze factor without compromising on the height of your frame. Aside from the sensor's physical area, there are also 3 log profiles developed by Fujifilm to maximize the dynamic range and color which that sensor is capable of capturing. There's the original F-log, followed by F-log 2, which is capable of an even wider dynamic range, and on some cameras, there's also F-log 2C, which captures a wider color gamut. Fujifilm officially provides LUT files for all 3 of these log profiles, and that's just some of the perks of shooting video on Fujifilm.